Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing of my new handbag from Fendi Summer Spring Collection 2022. So I just got my package here today. I ordered it like maybe 5 days ago, and yeah, it just arrived here this morning. So I just want to share my unboxing with you. So just tear this one up. So the bag that I got is called a cookie bag. So it's really cute. So the cookie bag, I think, is a new bag. It's from the Fendi Spring Summer 2022. And it comes in a few colorways. There are black ones, white ones, pink, blue, and there is also the fabric one, which has the Zuko print all over it. So can you guess which one I got? Okay, so we're just gonna open. Here you go. This is the receipt, I think, and this is the box. See here the box, and with the magnetic closure right here. Ta-da! It comes in a dust bag. Oh, feels so soft, guys. It's so cute. Okay, so I got the cookie bag in white. Oh my god, it's so cute. So let me just take out this. Okay, oh my god, this is so adorable. Okay, so it comes with a tag here, and let me just pull this one out. Okay, so I guess we're supposed to put this inside here. Okay, so the strap is adjustable. So here's how it looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this one, cut the tag out. So here you go, the cookie bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. As you can see, it has like this gold hardware. Okay, I think I done this all wrong. Okay, it's supposed to go inside here, and it's inside there. Okay, so as you can see, it has gold hardware over here and the gold buckle here, and it has 3 holes on each side, so it is adjustable. Now I'm going to show you how it looks on me. Okay, so as a shoulder bag, it falls nicely by the side here, and yeah, it has this like minimalist look with the gold hardware Fendi logo here, and the signature Fendi here on both sides. And yeah, it's really cute. You can get this, I mean, you can start a collection of luxury brands with this bag because the price point is attractive. Okay, in Malaysia it costs around 5,900 ringgit, and in the UK and Italy it costs much less. So if you want to go buy one, you should buy them online because apparently in store it is all out of stock. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what fits in this bag. So let's start with my iPhone 11 here. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, it fits nicely. you can see the phone is like peeking through, which is, I don't mind it at all. Okay, now I'm gonna try putting in my card holder here. Okay, and maybe a Huda Beauty lipstick. And for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put my Sephora mirror inside just to see how much it can fit. Okay, and I'm gonna close them. Oops. Okay, so yeah, you can see that adding those three doesn't really stretch the bag, and there are like some more space inside here, as you can see. So maybe without this, you can smoosh in your car key, or maybe another lipstick, or even your compact powder. Yeah, it fits quite a lot for this small, so-called small, but I don't think it's that small. It's quite big actually. It's really nice. Okay, so yeah, I saw this on the Fendi Instagram, where they shot those pieces from the spring summer collection, and I just fell in love with it. And when I checked it online, the price was really attractive, and I was like, why not? And I figure, you know, these kind of things are like limited designs, so I'm scared they would run out and I'll be like devastated if I didn't get one. So it's really nice. If you see it online, it's stated something like it's in store, but actually when I went there, it's not in store, so I quickly bought it online. So I think I got the last piece, the last white piece online, but there are also the black ones, and if I'm not mistaken, the pink ones, you can get them in store, I'm not so sure, but online also I've sold out. The blue ones have already sold out like way before white, I think. I'm not so sure. I just saw it online actually. So yeah, if you're interested in these, you should go get one before it all sold out. And if you ask me, it's really cute for top handle and also shoulder bag. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video and going through till the end, because I just thought that there are no cookie bag reviews on the internet, so I just figured if there's someone like me who's looking for a review, so here's a review for you. Okay, thank you so much. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, and maybe there's another video coming. Bye.